Five top tips for fast, healthy meals. Do you ever find it a challenge to make healthy meals fast? The daily issue: creating nutritious meals fast. Healthy meals can be problematic to prepare, even at the best of times. But when you are working against the clock and have a lot on your plate, then this only adds to the level of difficulty, especially when you have other mouths to feed. Here are our top 5 tips to ensure that you always come out on top when making healthy meals fast. Tip 1. Plan. Always make a list so you know what ingredients you've got. Tip 2. Look at the colours. Make a meal that uses a variety of colours, as this is a good indicator of nutrients and vitamins. Tip 3. Food groups. Make sure to include all essential food groups within the meal. Tip 4. Portion size. Everyone's needs are different, so someone small doesn't need a big plate. Tip 5. Everyone has the same meal. Don't waste time making multiple meals, just make one. Go on, give them a try. Want to know more? Then visit weightconfidence.com. You won't regret it and might find out something you've always wanted